All right, welcome back to Pack a Day. We have a lot of packs today. We've got the entire Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle collector booster display here. So we're gonna pop this open and see how we do. The polls have been pretty solid in my eyes. I think this set caught a lot of flack after Spider-Man. And I'm trying to get this open. Oh man, this plastic is hard. There we go. Whew. Took a lot longer than I had planned there, but got it open. All right, let's see if we pull anything good. Get these freebies packs. All right, let's get cracking. All right, first one. The glue on these are definitely a lot stronger than the other collector boosters. So we got a Mauser attack, sewer surveillance cam, mutant chain reaction, Shredder's revenge, Leonardo Big Brother, Karai's technique, the neutrinos, Lord Dreg insect invader, thriving isle. Choose one other than blue. Okay, that's actually not bad. Not a bad land. All right, got a foil swamp in the pizza swamp. We got a broadcast takeover on first mythic, first rare and first mythic. Vanquish the horde. All right, a little board wipe right here. We got Madame Knoll Power Broker. Nice. We got another mythic, Silverclad Ferocidons. Beautiful. In foil. And a Leatherhead Swamp Stalker. Nice. I got this as the promo card on my pre-release. Not this version, but it's nice. And we got this art card. All right. Let's take a look at pack number 2. A solid first pack with 2 mythics. All right, we got a anchovy and banana pizza. Let's get this situated. Zoo escapees, Buzzbots, Foot headquarters, April O'Neil, Kunio-chi trainee, New Generations technique, Brilliance Unleashed, Saved by the Shell, Cultivate. Oh, nice. And this is in a Surge foil. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's a common, but I'm going to probably set this one aside, being a Surge foil. Got the Forest. We got a Prehistoric Pet in foil. We got a Dragon Skull Summit. Unless you control a swamp or a mountain. Nice. We got a Toka and Raz are terrible twos. Okay, 2 for a 3/2. Can't be countered. Nice. And a Menace. We got another Silverclad Ferocidons. Nice. Not foil this time. And a Rathamahi Troublemakers. Nice. In this alt, I guess it's an alt art type of situation here. All right, and a mutagen token. Nice. Solid pack 2. Oh, this one is a rare. So we got 1 mythic there. I've noticed that these packs really hand out mythics. So hopefully I didn't jinx myself. We got Purple Dragon Punks, Frog Butler, TCRI Building, Mutant Town Magicians, Foot Ninjas. Nice. In foil. Like that art. Westwind Avatar, Donatello Way with Machines. The Last Ronin's Technique. Nice. This card is actually pretty useful. That's a great treatment too. Vibrant Cityscape. Nice. And a Fracture Foil. I guess this spot is just Fracture Foil possibility right here. Love it. Planes. Got a Weather Maker. A Foot Chopper. Krang and Shredder. Oh, I haven't seen this one. Metallic Mimic. Oh, we got another Mythic. I don't know if these are really worth a whole lot, but... And Mikey and Dawn Party Planners. Nice in this kind of art as well. Beautiful. All right. Got an art card. Second art card. All right, we're 3 down. A few more to go. Got a little robot token here. All right, we got Bebop, Warthog Warrior, Pain 101, Foot Headquarters, Mouser Foundry, Omni Cheese Pizza, Ooze Spill, Turtle Blimp, Donatello Way with Machines. I love these. Look the cartoonish. And it's a foil. Nice. Thriving More. Looks like a normal treatment here. No fracture foil this one. Got a Foil Island, Madame Knoll Power Broker, Dimension X Pizzasaur, Leonardo Cutting Edge, Donnie's Bow, Shadow Spear. Nice. Got another Mythic. Technodrome, second Mythic of the pack. In foil. Nice. All right, Mutagen in foil. So far, I think 4 packs, we've got more than enough Mythics. More than 1 Mythic a pack. Averaging these pretty well. All right, Mutant Town Musicians, Frog Butler, Make Your Move, Purple Dragon Punks, Jenica Bat Apple Big Sister, Death in the Family, Genghis Frog, Shredder's Technique. Nice. Like this art and like the way that it just kind of glows. Vibrant Cityscape in a normal treatment. Swamp. We got a Trans-Dimensional Bovine. Tap at 2 mana of any color. Nice. Okay. Humongous Fungus. I love these names. All right. Irma, Part-Time Mutant. Nice. This fracture foil right here, you can kind of see. Got another Metallic Mimic in Mythic. And we got a Chrome Dome in foil. All right, nice. Got another art card. That's a little nick there, but it's only the art card. All right, let's see what we get. We got a Mechanized Ninja Cavalry, Hamato Guardian Stance, Bot Bashing Time, Illegitimate Business, Michelangelo Game Master, Quintessential Katana, Everything Pizza, Pizza Face Gastromancer, Marauding Mutagen, Acidic Slime, got a Fracture Island. God, I love that. I should have put this with the fracture foils. Got Raphael's Technique. Got a Leatherhead Iron Gator. We got Raphael's technique. Plague of Vermin. Nice. And the Ooze. Pulled quite a few of these. All right. Mutagen token. All right, let's keep on going. We're about halfway through this box, give or take a few packs. Rocksteady Castle Crasher. Oh, no, Crash Courser. Oops. Putrid Pals. Ooh. Okay. Anchovy and Banana Pizza. Uneasy Alliance. Raphael Tough Turtle. Metalhead. Koya Death from Above. Mighty Muta Animals. Arcane Signet. Nice. Definitely a commander staple there. A Mountain. Raphael Ninja Destroyer in foil. Raphael the Muscle. Nice. Another mythic. Second mythic. Heralds of the Shredder. Vigor. I think this is one of those key reprints that you look for. In the Fracture foil. Beautiful. Cryoplast Manipulator. We got 3 mythics in this pack. This one's treating us good. And a Raphael Night Watcher. Standard foil. And a clue. And a treasure. Okay. All right. I'm telling you, these turtle packs are juice. Loving the pulls from the ones single packs I bought from the LGS, these that I got from other stores, and we are on the eve of the release. So we got nobody. And obviously, if you like what we pulled, I'll probably be posting most of these on my mana pool. The link is in the description. So let's keep on going. Mauser Attack, Insectoid Exterminator, Retromutation, Shredder's Revenge, Jenica's Technique, Hard One Jite, Shredder's Technique, Evolving Wilds, Forest, Michelangelo's Technique, lots of techniques, Biogenic Ooze, Leatherhead Swamp Stalker, Waves of Aggression in foil. Yeah, I love this art. And Michelangelo Weirdness to 11. Great card as well. All right, not a juiced pack, but solid food token. We got 4 packs left. Come on, let's get something good. And we'll take another doubling season. We'd love to get another one. Already pulled 2, so wouldn't mind a third. Retromutation, Insectoid Exterminator. I'll take another Super Shredder as well. Nobody. Escape Tunnel. Jenica Bad Apple Big Sister. Casey Jones Jury Rig Justiciar. Donatello's Technique. Casey Jones Jury Rig Justiciar. Soul Ring in a Fracture foil. Nice. Keeping that, and a Pizza and a Fracture foil. Pizza Plains. Dawn and Raph Hard Science. Baxter Fly in the Ointment. Savanti Romero Times Exile. Another Waves of Aggression. Okay. And a Leonardo Cutting Edge. Nice. The second one we pulled, once again, in just standard foil. All right. 3 more packs to go. Can we pull? One of the big chases. Primordial Pachyderm. Granite for Life. Punk Frogs. Squirrelnoids. Jenica Bad Apple Big Sister, General Trag Heart of Stone, Venus Torn Between Worlds, Shredder Unrelenting. So we pulled a Shredder, not the Super Shredder, but we pulled a Shredder. Path of Ancestry, Fracture Foil Planes, nice. Leonardo's Technique, Improvised Arsenal, Dragon Skull Summit. Oh, Fracture Foil, beautiful. Underworld Breach. I guess there's one of these in every pack. So it's a pretty much a mythic and a prehistoric pet. All right, and a Donnie. Okay, 2 more packs. All right, come on, don't let me down. These packs have been pretty legit. Stockman Mad Flyintist, Buzzbots, April O'Neil, Zoo Escapees, Make Your Move, Fugitive Droid, Novel Nunchaku, Raphael, Most Attitude. Nice. I think did I pull every single turtle in this art? I hope so. Ash Barrens, Island, Kitsune Dragon's Daughter, High Score, Brown Chuck and Dirtbag, Rhythm of the Wild, Armagon Future Shark. All right, so I think this last pack, we'll see how we do. All right, last one. Come on, Super Shredder. Mechanized Ninja Cavalry, Illegitimate Business, Mutant Chain Reaction, Bashing Time, Foot Ninjas, Featherbrain Filcher. This is hard to pull. I've only pulled one of these. Shredder Unrelenting, New Generations Technique, Harmonize in a Fracture Foil, Pizza Planes. All right, come on, Super Shredder. Let's bless these last set of cards. Mikey and Leo, Chaos and Order. Toka and Rezar, Unsupervised. Mikey and Dawn, Party Planners. Splinter of the Shadows, Mascot of Shadow Swarm. Nice. I think this was one of the chases. One of the really valuable cards. Nice. And a Toka and Rezar, Terrible Twos. No Super Shredder. Unfortunate. All right. But overall, you can kind of see here, it looks like we get one of these types of mythics in every pack. But I think overall did pretty well. Managed to pick up one of these for, I think, $350. All of these rares. So I'll get these scanned, and obviously you'll see the prices as I pull them. And I think I did solid. Hopefully I at least got the value back for the collector box. And once again, if you like these cards, please look for them on my mana pool. It'll be a link in my account as well as in the description of the video. And if you like what you see here, please check out the links, the Amazon affiliate links in the video description if you want to pick up any of the display boxes or bundles or anything like that. So far, I think these packs are pretty juiced, both the play packs and the collector packs. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.